to show you how you can make a watermark for your YouTube channel. It is important that you make a watermark just in case somebody tries to download your video and claim it as their own. It is proof that it belongs to you and you won't get like flagged for it. Also, it is good to have it so you can brand your channel, and also you just want to have like a cool looking logo. You can have a logo without a background, so that is what I'm going to be showing you today in this video. So follow along. And because of my assistant, say hi, Flacco. Hello, YouTube. Hello. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the app that's called Phonto. Click the camera icon at the bottom, then click on plain images, and then you're going to select either the black or the white. Click on color, go to where it says alpha and bring it all the way down to 0. That is going to make it into a transparent background. Then you want to click on apply, then you want to click on use, then add text. Now you can type in your name or the name that you want to use for your channel or whatever logo name, and here you can align your name to the left, align it to the right, center it. You can choose from the fonts, you can preset it, you can use different symbols, you can change the colors, you can add a shadow, you can add a stroke if you go to style. For this example, I'm going to leave mine letters in white. You can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to add a light shadow to my watermark so that it can stand out. It doesn't get lost in the back of the images on my video. You can do underlining, you can do spacing, you can blend it. And I'm also going to change the color to pink because, you know, I love pink. I'm a girly girl. And once you're done making changes to your watermark, it is time to save your image. One thing that is very important, you want to make sure that you save your image as a PNG. If you don't save it as a PNG, then you won't have a transparent background. It will either be black or white, depending on which one you chose in the beginning. Once the watermark is saved as a PNG, it is time to upload our watermark to YouTube. You're going to type in studio.youtube.com. Don't go to the app, go to the studio. Once you're in your studio, you want to click on the little wand at the left, the little wand. Then you're going to go to customization and branding. Go all the way to the bottom where it says video watermark, and then you're going to choose or upload or change the image to the watermark that you just made. You'll have 3 choices. You can add the watermark at the beginning, at the end, or the entire video. I'm going to choose entire video for mine. You can do whatever you want with yours. Don't forget to click publish, otherwise your watermark will not be saved. Very important. Your watermark should be saved. If you want to double check, just go to your channel, click on any of your videos, and you'll see at the bottom right, your watermark should appear there. If you made it this far into the video, I want to thank you for watching. If you want to support me and my channel, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment. And I want to thank you again. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.